Hello Driving Intelligence. Quick video on ballast pumps for a wake boat. Actually, this one is for the boat that I have. It's a 99 Sanger DLX, and I've put a custom fat sack in there, so I have to use a lighter power port with a hose to fill my sack. But interestingly enough, I've been working on a few of these pumps now. There's 3 pumps I've worked on. It's the Piranha 800s, a rule pump for another fat sack I've got, and then the Tsunami. Out of all 3 of these pumps, I think the Tsunamis are the best. I've been using this one for 3-4 years now. I've had no problems with it. The performance is really good. But what I am noticing with the Piranhas and the rules is that the corrosion actually enters into the motor housing and starts to corrode the stator, the brushes, etc., causing performance issues. I actually just recently had my rule lock up. So what I decided to do was just start to, on an annual basis, take them apart, make sure they're cleaned effectively, and also I put some WD-40 in there to see if I can get that to penetrate up the shaft and try to fight some of the corrosion. So that's what this video is about. I'll probably do another video in the near future about the rule pump. I'm having a lot of trouble with that. I'm probably going to have to buy a new cartridge. Fortunately, I haven't had to do that yet with this one, but I am trying to do some preventive maintenance. So I'm working on a Tsunami T-1200 ballast pump from Attwood. Given that I've worked on about a half a dozen of these pumps already, not specifically the Tsunami, but the Piranha version, 800 gallon per hour, I see that these easily get corroded, so I need to remove this. This one's pretty easy to take the cartridge out. You basically push this tab in and unscrew it. It gives you access to the pump housing, and now I've got access to the cartridge. What I want to do is remove the impeller and spray WD-40 around the shaft and let it just soak in there. You can see there's a little bit of corrosion already right there that's coming off with the screwdriver. So I'll just fill this up with some WD-40 and just let it soak around the shaft into the motor. And I'll keep working that in there over time to get that to the brushes, to get that to the shaft, the other end of the shaft on this side of the pump, to allow it to work on the corrosion that is going to show up in there over a period of time because of the use of these pumps in lake water. Now that I've lubricated the cartridge with WD-40 to make sure that I've tried to get it as much of the corrosion as possible, I'm going to run this pump and the associated hose, because this is for a fat sack, not an integrated ballast system, in a bucket of soapy water, and just let it run for a little bit to try to wash out as much of the debris or any other kind of contaminants that might be in this pump. And you can see the soapy water running through it and hopefully cleaning this out a bit. Abe and I would like you to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and provide comments below. See you next time on Driving Intelligence.